Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Rich people using money to manipulate others. Be like. Disclaimer, not every wealth person behave this way. Many successful people are generous, humble, and kind. This example are numerous stereotypes about manipulative behavior, not real life for everyone. Money can buy a giant mansion, a shiny sports cars, and a mountain of pizza, but it still cannot buy genuine friendship, trust, or peaceful night's sleep. Be kind, it costs less and lasts longer. 1. I'll pay, but you owe me forever. Reason, some people use money to make others feel indebted. 2. Do what I say or the paycheck disappears. Reason, financial power can pressure people into agreement. 3. Free gift with 100 hidden favors attached. Reason, kindness sometimes comes with a string attached. 4. I'll buy the spotlight. Reason, money can attract attention and influence opinions. 5. Let's spread a rumor instead of solving the problem. Reason, sabotage can damage someone's reputation. 6. I'll hire everyone except my rival. Reason, excluding others can weaken competition. 7. Rules for you, shortcuts for me. Reason, some people believe wealth puts them above others. 8. I'll make you compete for my approval. Reason, creating a rivalry can increase control. 9. A tiny favor that becomes a giant obligation. Reason, a small help may be used to demand bigger favors later. 10. I'll flash luxury just to make others feel small. Reason, showing off can sometimes be used to intimidate. 11. I'll support your idea, then claim it is mine. Reason, influence may be used to steal recognition. 12. Money talks louder than manners. Reason, respect should never depend on the wealth. 13. I'll fund your dream if I control everything. Reason, financial support can become controlling. 14. Let's keep people dependent. Reason, dependence can make manipulation easier. 15. I'll act generous when everyone is watching. Reason, some people seek applause more than helping. 16. Success only if it benefits me. Reason, self-interest may outweigh fairness. 17. I'll divide comrades to stay in charge. Reason, conflict can make people easier to influence. 18. I'll solve a problem that secretly created. Reason, creating dependence can increase control. 19. Everyone has a price or so they think. Reason, not everything can or should be bought.